The journey home. Wizards, the Portuguese had a terrible voyage back home. They could not hire a pilot from India and had to find their own way back to Malindi. It took them 3 months, and by the time they reached the port, 30 sailors had died of scurvy. The ruler of Malindi gave them fresh meat and oranges to help them recover. By the time Da Gama reached Portugal, only 54 of his original crew of 170 had survived. He had been away for more than 2 years. Now let's continue to look at Dutch East India Company journeys. The Portuguese continued to sail to the east. On these voyages, they collected fresh water and forced the Khoi to trade sheep and cattle. Fighting sometimes broke out, and after 1510, the Portuguese stopped going ashore in southern Africa. At the same time, Dutch ships began stopping at spices along the coast. The Dutch, the first people to live permanently in South Africa. A big trading company called the Dutch East India Company was set up to send ships and traders to the east. In Dutch, this company is called the VOC. The VOC ships stopped along the coast of South Africa and traded iron and copper for sheep and cattle. Life of a sailor on a VOC ship. Let's continue to look at that. Even with stronger winds and useful instruments, life on board on a ship was often difficult. Ships were not very big, and at the time they were made out of wood. Sailors were away from home for many months at a time and did not know what dangers they would meet. Ships had to have everything that was needed, including food and water for the sailors.